What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kiro. I was back in the building with the video. Today I'm gonna do a POV driving my car. I hope y'all like this video. Just like, comment, subscribe to the video and share it about your friends. I'm doing a POV drive in the hood type jump. Hope y'all like this video. And we out there. Alright, so this is my first video trying to do a POV drive. Hope y'all fucking with it. That's some cool shit. But show you how I drive like daily type shit. I drive like a grandma real nigga shit though. But I'm just turn the AC up. Alright, so we got a destination on the screen that we're going towards. But I ain't gonna show nobody the address and shit, but yeah. They be hitting numbers though, real nigga shit. Yeah, y'all, if y'all know what this is, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know the hood type shit. Y'all from over there, bit? I'm not. I don't live over here. I just came in the hood just to come in the hood. You know what I'm saying? Real nigga shit. But yeah, I got some NPCs in the car with me right now. Some cool shit. But yeah, y'all let me know how your day was in the comments with some cool shit. Cause there's some different content I'm bringing for y'all boys. Cause I'm gonna start dropping more for y'all boys. I got a vlog on the way. This video will be posted before the vlog, but I had a vlog on the way for y'all boys. Cause yeah. Come on, get up in there. Now, I made a bit of twerk real quick. You gotta put that bit in manual, right? Hot as fuck, but yeah, I drive like a grandma, real nigga shit though. I hope y'all fucking with that though. But shit, I low key in the market right now. I'm saving up for a Scat Pat or a RT Challenger or Charger this year. So whenever I get that car, just know I'm dropping hella videos for y'all boys, like I said. But there's a different type of content I ain't never dropped on my channel like that. I did do one like years back, but y'all really wasn't fucking with it back then. But yeah. I ain't gonna really try to talk too much in this video because y'all just want to see me drive, I guess. Shit. I wish I could see like the other days when I be doing this shit. I be on traffic with Scat Pats and Hellcats, all kinds of shit. And I can't keep up with this shit. Real nigga shit. It's low key a hell Malibu. y'all watching this far, y'all should like, comment, subscribe to this video. You know what I'm saying? Bringing some good quality content for y'all boys. And I'm risking my life at the same time. Oh yeah, we're in traffic with a Camaro, bro. Here we go. Oh shit. Catch out to the bro. Alright, my bad. It was the Amber Alert that hit my phone. But we in traffic with a Camaro right now. Let me see what he doing. I don't think he really on that. Need to cut up. Bro, this nigga, bro. I don't know if I can see him in the mirror. Let me see. He right in the mirror, but he not pulling up. Like, come on. I know he want to burn some gas too. Come on. Yeah, I want to drive slow. You had an old Camaro. I'm in a Malibu car. I don't know if I can see him right there. Shit. Getting behind me, but like, nigga not on that. I want him to get busy in traffic, bro. He's still in my back mirror, bro. I don't know if I can see him or not. I ain't gonna lie, that truck that was right there, he was so ready to crash out. And I wasn't gonna be a part of it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was gonna swear. Like, that's the thing that come with this shit. I ain't talking to girl in a minute, but that's the thing that come with this shit. Like, when you driving crazy on the highway, bro, people don't see you. And they be ready to turn for no reason. Well, you gotta see that shit before it even happen. Shit. It's looking about to be the end of the video, y'all boys. Hope y'all can like, comment, subscribe on this video. Share it about your friends, like I said every fucking video. But yeah, can't wait for the game. And we out.